out some of the Korean snacks that I brought from a local Korean shop in Bhutan, which is known as Koja. So we are going to try some of the snacks, and I'm going to mark every one of them. I'm going to give them the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the end of the video, I will decide which is the best snack I've tasted in this episode. So let's begin. So first up, we have the super hot Pringles, which are originating from Korea. So these are super hot. This is spicy jalapeno poppers. I am excited to try this. I'm very excited. Like, I've never eaten a spicy Pringle before. So let's open this. Like, it looks like a normal Pringle from inside, but let's see about the taste. How the taste looks like. Let's try. Let's try this. 3, 2, 1. Not spicy. It's good. It's like, I'm going to give this 8 out of 10 because I can't really feel the spiciness, but I really love the moisture and the taste. Like, it's burning on the tip of my tongue. It's like a taco flavor. I can see here the cheese nuggets. There's some sort of, I don't know, some sort of taco thing on the side, but it's good. I really like this one. So it's good. So let's move on to the next snack. I'll just drink some water. Okay. Next snack. Let's see, what do we have? Let's try this. These are the Korean Doritos. It's written word number 1. So it's here written open easy. So let's try to. Okay, this is open now. Looks like normal Doritos. Let's see the taste. 3, 2, 1. That is really good. Like a normal nacho. So you can see that it is cheese man, and I can really feel the cheese. It's all of the cheese. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. Why a 9? Because sometimes when they give the cheese, in half of the part I felt a lot of cheese, but in half of the nacho bite I didn't feel that much cheese. I just felt like normal plain nachos. That's why it's a 9 out of 10. Okay. Next snack is, let's see, the Lay's sizzling hot. As you can see here, behind it is written, it is very hot, spicy and fiery. I'm really nervous to try this one. Should I just say this one later? No, I think so. I'm going to open it. This looks like this. Okay, very big actually. Let's try it in 3, 2, 1. My tongue's burning. I can't refuse eating it. No. 10 out of 10. This is so spicy. My tongue was on literal fire. Like, they're saying it's really true. It's still a little bit. Next snack, which is also the final snack, is onion ring spicy flavor. I really like a lot of spicy things, but onion ring I never tried spicy onion rings. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna just open this. This packaging. Okay. So here, looking like a binocular, like hello, and like owl. I'm gonna try it in 3, 2, 1. I'm not feeling the spiciness. Like, they have spice powder, the powder all over the place. You see on the bottom of the ring. I'm not feeling it. Look at the bottom. No, not good. has a good flavor of both onion rings, but it's not spicy. I don't think spicy. I'm gonna give it a 5.5. So at the winner. So at the end of the round, I've decided the winner of this food match. So in that number 1 position, we have the sizzling hot Lays. I really like this one. It's getting spicy. Next up is the Doritos. I really like this one also as well. I like the cheesy part, like cheesy nachos. The third is the jalapeno Pringles. This one was a little depressing. Like, he also think it's depressing. Are you right, man? Yes, you are. And the fourth, onion rings. I don't like this one at all because I usually would eat onion rings like this, but today I didn't. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next episode.